Hello guys, welcome back to Miss Shah Greedy Guts channel. Well, आज मैं आप लोगों से एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ. If you are a vegetarian and if I ask you कि आपकी favorite dishes कौन सी हैं, well I think उसमें एक dish ज़रूर होगी which is दाल मखनी. I mean, who doesn't love दाल मखनी? और अगर आप एक नॉन वेजिटेरियन हैं, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर दैट इन द लिस्ट ऑफ योर फेवरेट मेन्यू बटर चिकन ज़रूर होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स बटर चिकन किसे नहीं पसंद यार. सो आज हम जिस रेस्टोरेंट में आए हैं, दे आर एक्चुअली द इन्वेंटर्स ऑफ बटर चिकन एंड दाल मखनी. सो एज अ फूड ब्लॉगर आई थिंक आई एम रियली फॉर्चुनेट कि मैं आज उस इन्वेंशन को देखने जा रही हूँ जो 1920s में स्टार्ट हुआ था. लेट्स सी, लेट्स गो टू दरियागंज. So today we have with us Shipra Mishra, who heads quality and R&D in Daryaganj. Let's hear from herself what Daryaganj is all about और उसकी speciality आखिर है क्या? How did it actually come into being? Shipra.
Hi. So you see, Daryaganj restaurant has been started by Raghav Jakki and Amit Pakka, who is his childhood friend.
Okay.
So Raghav Jakki is grandson of Kundalal Jakki.
Okay.
He is the original inventor of butter chicken and dal makhani. So in 1947, the story goes that back. In 1947, after partition, so Kundalal Jakki had started a restaurant in the by-lanes of Daryaganj, and that's where they had invented the butter chicken and the dal makhani. And then later they had been out of, sold out the business and everything. And the restaurant and every essence of the whole dish and everything kind of was diversified and lost. So now Raghav Jakki, along with his grandson of Kundalal Jakki, along with his childhood friend Amit Pakka, started this restaurant by the name of Daryaganj. Hence the name is Daryaganj.
Yes, you are the inventors of butter chicken and dal makhani. So what is that original thing in those two dishes?
So, see, if you have a butter chicken, the original butter chicken, at that point in time, see how it actually started was that one fine day, Kundalal Jakki, he was in his dhaba, and he's the first one who actually popularized tandoor for making, non-veg.
Okay.
There was a truckload of refugees who had come to his dhaba and late in the night, and he was about to shut down. So he had very limited stuff in his kitchen at that point in time, and so he had some tandoori chicken, he had some tomatoes, he had some butter and a little bit of spices. So he just made a gravy out of the tomatoes and the butter and with a little bit of spices, and he just put the tandoori chicken into it and quickly, created
a new dish,
because just a tandoori chicken wasn't sufficient enough to feed such a crowd. So he created the gravy, and then everybody loved it. So that is from where how the butter chicken was accidentally invented. And at that point in time, we didn't have any pasteurized creams. We didn't have mincers and mixies. So the tomatoes that were the gravy that was made was basically, they were pounded in a way so that the texture becomes coarse. So when you have the butter chicken at a place, you will find the texture is coarse because at that point in time there were no mixies and grinders, and you will see that our butter chicken is not overloaded with cream or having that sweeter notes. It is as old as the authentic,
simple and authentic. मुझे ये बटर चिकन बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगा है, एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे लगता है इसको खाने के बाद आई एम फीलिंग आई नेवर एवर हैड बटर चिकन एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम जो मैं खा रही हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज़ प्योर टमेटो ग्रेवी और ये 1920 के टाइम की रेसिपी है. आई मीन अनबिलीवेबल एंड इट्स सो क्रीमी विदाउट यूजिंग क्रीम. It's unbelievable. Wow. So Shipra, you told us about these two very iconic dishes. और कौन से dishes है which you think दरियागंज में आके we must eat? So going with inventor's story. So we have a chicken pakoda which was again invented by Kundalal Jaggi, and of course a tandoori chicken. So the story behind the chicken pakoda is that, you know, coming from Peshawar, so they were very heavy meat eaters. So when one of the monsoon days and when everybody was making, you know, pakoras with the different kind of vegetables, so idea struck to Kundalal Jaggi, and he took chicken tikka, you know, marinated chicken, kebab, and he dunked into the batter of the pakoda and the basin and everything, the batter that was there, and he deep fried it. So that's how the chicken pakoda came. And we're almost serving the same. Only thing is that we are serving the boneless chicken, and that was served with the bone, and that you must try.
आपको फोन कर रहा था, कोई मिला नहीं अभी. अभी आपको ट्राई करा था, नहीं आ रहा आपका.
और यहाँ की 2 ड्रिंक्स हैं विच यू हैव टू ट्राई. आई एम नॉट सेइंग जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कम हियर, आई एम सेइंग बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली मैंने ऐसी ड्रिंक कभी नहीं पी. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड लौंग गवाचा, जिसमें एक्चुअली लौंग है और सिट्रस बेस है, एंड इट्स वेरी टेस्टी, वेरी वेरी टेस्टी. आई मीन लौंग का टेस्ट जो गले में जाता है. Wow, palate cleansing, soul filling. I mean, what else do I speak about it? And the other drink, जो ठंडाई लवर्स के लिए है, वो है ये इनकी क्लासिक ठंडाई, जिसमें वाइट पेपरकॉर्न्स हैं जो आपको एक अलग सूदिंग फ्लेवर देंगे. इट हैज़ पिस्ता and it's super light. As you see, it's actually wobbling. So yeah. Oh wow. Wow.
Daryaganj, the brand, is a tribute to the culinary legacy of Kundalal Jaggi, and it is also an attempt to preserve the original recipes of that era.